Hi, this is Apeksha Porwal and I'm playing the character of Koyal in Andheki. Koyal as a character, when she's running in the jungle, when she's doing all the action she's doing, she's always barefoot. She's not wearing footwear at all in the entire sequence. And for me to be running, I had so many splinters in my leg in the first few days. Then the production, they tried to sort this situation out for me. So then we tried using masking tape on my foot. So, well, you can't see it in the shots, but there's masking tape. But then on days when it was raining, the masking tape would come out because the soil was all wet.
Koyal, the thing is that I feel she's very, very dedicated and passionate about what she does, because she's not like her character. She has to walk bare feet on the jungle with grass, and there are thorns, and she gets hurt all the time, but she keeps on doing it. So I really salute that.
Koyal is so different from who I am. Fortunately for me, I come from a background of privilege where there's always been a roof over my head. I have a very loving family, I have food at my table, I have education. And Koyal, on the other hand, she has gone through so much of struggle since her younger days, since she's an adolescent. She barely has any family to speak of. She has had no education, she lives in a jungle, she lives in a tribal area, she has no money, that she carries so much baggage with her. And for me to be able to understand her and to become her, there was a lot of preparation that went into it.
Koyal's actually a model. She's been in the Miss Universe pageant, if I'm not wrong. For her to kind of become this character was quite transformative for me, because I remember when she got locked, we were already, all the other cast was already locked when Koyal came in. And Ashish sir showed us her pictures, which were like her modeling pictures. And we were just like, are you sure? Like, what is going on? How are we going to make her look like that? So I think she's taken really well to the character.
Koyal has barely any lines in the show. And the few lines that she has are in Bengali, are very short. So whatever she does is through her actions and through her eyes.
वो बहुत अच्छी एक्ट्रेस है. नॉन बंगाली एक्टर होने के बावजूद जिस तरीके से उन्होंने डिक्शन, प्रोनाउंसिएशन सब पकड़ा हुआ है, ये देवुदा से भी पूछा था कि देवुदा बताओ ये कहीं से लगती है कि ये बंगाली नहीं है. बहुत डेंजर लड़की है भाई.
मैं इनके बारे में कुछ बताऊं?
मुझे बहुत कोशिश किया बचाने के लिए, लेकिन बचा नहीं पाई. इतनी बहादुर होने के बाद भी मुझे निपटना पड़ा.
मुझे जितना भी थोड़ा बांग्ला आता है या बांग्ला एक्सेंट आता है वो इनके वजह से है. ये है मेरे एक्सेंट कोच. तो हम जंगल में भी बैठे रहते थे, मैं उनको पूछ रही थी ये कैसे बोलना है, वो कैसे बोलना है, फ़ोन करके पूछ रही थी. आई डिड अ लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च इन टर्म्स ऑफ फिजिकलिटी, लाइक externally, how is it that she walks, how is it that she runs, how does she sit, how does she eat, how does she talk, because a tribal girl is so different from me, a city girl who's been born and brought up in Bombay.
I saw Koyal hanging upside down the other day and it looks so interesting. I wish we had more time. I would love to have tried that.
So this is the first time that I'm ever doing action, and for Koyal there are so many action sequences and they're so essential to her part. And I remember the action master, he was making me run through the forest, jump over boulders, make me do flips, climbing over branches and trees, and simultaneously training me to be attacking the rangers that I'm doing in the show. I remember falling 2-3 times. I have scratches on my legs, I have scars which came from the action from the first day itself. And but I was super excited about it.
It's very commendable about the way she's working in these extreme temperatures. She's wearing small clothes, she's doing the action sequences like I said. I think that's very commendable of her, and I think she's doing a great job.
And no matter the temperature, no matter the conditions, no matter how difficult the forest is, as Koyal, these things are my home, and that's the mindset that I went with. It's Koyal's first time as a wedding dancer, so she's still a little nervous. She is trying to understand how the reins of how this works. She's a little awkward. This show has been very, very memorable for me. I'll take away so much from the show. It's a wrap for me.